Have you ever had two great loves that, by all accounts, should never, ever meet? For me, it's the silky, comforting embrace of fresh pasta and the bold, spicy, soul-warming hug of a good tikka masala. They come from different worlds. They have different passports. Introducing them felt risky, like setting up your quiet book club friend with your chaotic, fun college roommate. But what if I told you this isn't just a meet cute? This is a full-blown culinary romance. Your new favorite fusion dinner is here. Part 1, the pasta. We start in Italy, or, our kitchen doing a very sincere impression of Italy. This is the calm before the flavorful storm. 2 cups of flour, 3 eggs, that's it. We make a little flour volcano, crack in the eggs, and mix until it becomes a shaggy dough. Now, the knead. This is your arm workout and your meditation. For a good 8 to 10 minutes, you're just working it until it transforms. It goes from scrappy to smooth, from doubtful to confident. This is a dough that knows its purpose. Wrap it up and let it take a well-deserved nap for 30 minutes. The gluten needs to relax, and honestly, don't we all? Dough's up! Now, if you have a pasta roller, this is its moment to shine. If you don't, a rolling pin and some determination work just as well. We're feeding this golden sheet through thinner and thinner until we can practically see our culinary ambitions through it. Then we cut. Fettuccine tonight. Beautiful, long ribbons, just begging for a sauce with personality. Part 2, the sauce. Okay, scene change. We're going to India via our spice cabinet. This is where the magic and the twist happens. Most recipes have you add spices one by one to the pot. We're not doing that. We're mixing our entire spice blend first. Garam masala, cumin, coriander, turmeric, smoked paprika. The whole gang gets acquainted in a little bowl. Why? 2 reasons. 1, it's foolproof. No fumbling with 10 jars while your garlic burns. And 2, this is the secret. We're going to bloom them all at once. Clarified butter, ghee in the pan, medium heat. We dump in our entire bowl of spices, and for 60 seconds, the kitchen transforms. The air gets warm, fragrant, and incredibly promising. This step wakes the spices up. It's the difference between whispering and singing. Now, the aromatics. In goes a finely chopped onion, sweating until it's soft and sweet. Then, the dynamic duo. A mountain of grated garlic and ginger. Their job is to build the foundation. Tomato paste goes in next. We cook it for a minute to kiss off that raw, tinny taste. Then, crushed tomatoes. Let that simmer for 5 minutes. It's getting darker, richer, deeper. Part 3, the fusion. Here comes the velvet curtain. We reduce the heat to a gentle sigh and pour in a whole can of rich, full-fat coconut milk. Or heavy cream if you're feeling decadent. Stir and watch the color change from a fiery red to a glorious, creamy sunset orange. A splash of broth loosens it to the perfect saucy consistency. Let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. The flavors are getting to know each other. They're deciding they like each other. Finish with a handful of fresh, chopped cilantro. Bright, herbaceous, perfect. Part 4, the marriage. While the sauce does its final simmer, we cook the pasta. Fresh pasta is a diva with a short runtime, just 2 to 3 minutes in a big pot of salted, boiling water. It cooks in the time it takes to argue about what to watch on TV. Drain it, and then, the moment of truth. We take those elegant, mild-mannered pasta ribbons and introduce them directly to the bold, charismatic sauce. We toss, gently, but with confidence. And look at that. They don't just coexist, they complement. The delicate pasta carries the robust sauce perfectly. The creamy spice sauce gives the simple pasta a whole new reason for being. So, was it a risk? Maybe. But the best dinners often are. This is the perfect blend of Italian technique and Indian soul. It's surprisingly simple to make and absolutely guaranteed to impress. Whether it's a date, your family, or just yourself on a Tuesday night. Give it a try. Let these 2 great culinary loves meet on your plate. And if you love unique flavor fusions that break the rules, you know what to do. Subscribe for more. Now, if you'll excuse me, I have a delicious experiment to eat.